Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a web application which allows you to encrypt your PDF documents, encrypt and decrypt. So it's actually developed in this progressive Svelte application, Svelte framework. As you all know, it's a very popular framework. So we have used this framework, Svelte, to actually build out this PDF encryptor kind of a application. So it actually runs in the browser. So let me just show you the actual demo of the application. The link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the source code of the application. So with the help of this application, you can protect your PDF documents with password and also decrypt it. So actually the interface looks something like this. So right here you will choose a PDF file, whatever PDF file you want to protect. As soon as you select the PDF file, you basically will provide the password here. After selecting, so you will simply say encrypt, and automatically now the PDF file will get downloaded, the encrypted file, and it will ask you for the password. You will see that you will now enter the correct password and then the PDF file will open. You will see that. So this is actually a full application. You also have the decrypt section as well. So right here you will simply select the file to be decrypted. So after that you will enter the password to decrypt, and automatically that file will be downloaded. It will be decrypted. So it's actually developed in this framework Svelte. It's a progressive web app. We also use Tailwind CSS for the interface. All the files are, once you purchase the source code, it will be easy for you to actually see how I coded this, and you will be able to customize the look and feel and also add additional features as well. So it's actually, you will see it's a full directory, it's a full app having the full source code. So we are running this app locally, as you can see, by running the command npm run dev. So if I show you the package.json file, we are using the latest. We are also using DaisyUI framework as well. And for building this application, there is the build command you can run, npm run build. So this will actually build the entire Svelte application into a single folder, after which you can easily deploy the application. If you still face any issues in running or deploying the application after purchase, you can contact me. I will definitely help you. So you will see all the files are pre-coded as Svelte, and this is actually the web application which does the main job of encrypting your PDF files. So whatever PDF file you select, so as soon as you select, you can enter the password and then click encrypt. You will see that. So if you enter a wrong password, it will give you this error. So now as soon as you enter the correct password, the PDF file will open. So it's a very useful application. It will save you a lot of time because people are looking forward for encrypting their PDF files. So it's actually an encryptor and decryptor web application which runs directly in browser. So it's a single page application developed in Svelte, and which is a really popular framework among developers. So it's a definitely, if you like the project, you can purchase it. The link is given in the description. I showed you the demo and also the actual source code how I developed this. So you can even grant additional permissions as well. So by toggling this option, it has two sections, encrypt and decrypt, and you can even install this as a progressive web app as well. It's a PWA app. You can see that. So automatically after you encrypt it, it will put this password that you enter right here and encrypt your PDF file instantly. So it's actually a web application, guys. If you are interested in this, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it.